morning, grade 2. Good morning, my dear students. Let's complete our lesson from last session. But before we will start, first open your book, page number 660. Before we will start in our book, I want to explain something from last session to remember you. In 1 hour, there are 16 minutes. When you count 1 hour with minutes, start with 12 and end with 11. Between each two numbers, there are 5 minutes. When we count 1 hour, start with 12. From 12 to 1, there are 5 minutes. From 12 to 2, there are 10 minutes. From 12 to 3, there are 15 minutes. From 12 to 4, there are 20 minutes. From 12 to 5, there are 25 minutes. From 12 to 6, there are 30 minutes. From 12 to 7, there are 35 minutes. From 12 to 8, there are 14 minutes. From 12 to 9, there are 45 minutes. From 12 to 10, there are 15 minutes. From 12 to 11, there are 55 minutes. Okay? So let's come back to our book.
What is the time? It's 2 o'clock. "5 minutes have passed. What is the time?" 5 minutes after 2. It's 2:05. 10 minutes have passed. What's the time? 10 minutes after 2. It's 2:10. 15 minutes have passed. What's the time? 15 minutes after 2. It's 2:15. 20 minutes have passed. What's the time? 20 minutes after 2. It's 2:20. 25 minutes have passed. What's the time? 25 minutes after 2. It's 2:25. 30 minutes have passed. What's the time? 2:30. It's 2:30. 35 minutes have passed. What's the time? 35 minutes after 2. It's 2:35. 40 minutes have passed. What's the time? 40 minutes after 2. It's 2:40. 45 minutes have passed. What's the time? 45 minutes after 2. It's 2:45. 50 minutes have passed. What's the time? 50 minutes after 2. It's 2:50. 55 minutes have passed. What's the time? 55 minutes after 2. It's 2:55. 60 minutes have passed. What's the time? 60 minutes after 2. It's 3 o'clock.
First, open your book with number 660. Guided practice. Circle the correct time shown on each digital or analog clock. Example number 1. And this shows the time in numbers. So, when you read this, you will say, or you will start from left side, and you will say 5:15. Okay, again, when you read this, you will say 5:15. So make a circle on this answer. Example number 2. This is an analog clock. As this clock has 2 hands. Short hand is pointing an hour. Long hand is pointing a minute. Okay? So when you write this time, first put your colon or your 2 dots like this. On left side, you will write the hour, and on the right side, you will write minutes. Here, shorthand at 12. So right here, on left side, the hour 12. And here, longhand at 4. From 12 to 4, there are 20 minutes. So right here, 20 minutes. When you read this, you will say 12, 20. Okay? Example number 3. This is analog clock. First, put the column or 2 dots. On left side, you will write the hour. And on the right side, you will write minutes. Here, shorthand or small hand between 1 and 2. This past 1 and not past 2. So right here 1. And minutes show here longhand at 10. And from 12 to 10 there are 50 minutes. So right here 50 minutes. So when you read this, you will say 1:50. Okay? Solve number 4 and 5 in the same way by yourself. Number 661. Example number 6. Write the time shown on each digital or analog clock in numbers and words. Example number 6. Here read and write. This is analog clock. Okay? What minutes after what? Here, longhand is pointing minutes. So from 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes. After 1, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8 minutes. After what? Here shorthand at what? 5. So write here 5. First, when you write this, first you will put the colon or 2 dots and write here the hour. The hour here were at 5, so write here 5. And minutes here were at 8, so write here 8. Okay, this is digital clock. First, when you read this, you will start from left side and you will say 6:57. Okay, like this with words. And when you write this, first put the colon or 2 dots on left side. On left side you will write the hour 6. On right side you will write minutes 57. Okay, solve number 7 and 8 in the same way by yourself. Here, draw a line to match each clock to its correct time. Number 10. Shorthand here were between 3 and 4. So it passed 3 but didn't reach 4. So right here at hour 3. And longhand here were from 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes. From 12 to 2 there are 10 minutes. From 12 to 3 there are 15 minutes. From 12 to 4 there are 20 minutes. From 12 to 5 there are 25 minutes. From 12 to 6 there are 30 minutes. From 12 to 7 there are 35 minutes. From 12 to 8 there are 40 minutes. From 12 to 9 there are 45 minutes. Okay, so this is will be 3:45 like this. So draw a line here. Number 12. Shorthand here were at 4 and longhand were past 12 by 2 minutes. So this will be 4:2. Okay, so draw a line here. Okay, solve number 11 and 13 in the same way by yourself. Today we finished that session and I hope all of you understood every point with me today. And your homework, page number 663 and 664. See you soon. Thanks, my dear students.